Drill, tape measures, chargers, whatever tools you have to put on the shelf and hang up on the wall in a garage, storage area, whatnot. This kit may be right for you. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside the box. Nicely put together, we have an instruction guide that goes over the parts and how to install the hooks, larger hooks, hardware, the rack system, and the trays. The mesh tool holders, time to put together. Grab a side rail, grab a bolt, place into the hole, and match up the area of interest, which is known as the drill holders, and lock down to place with the Allen key that is supplied. Repeat for the other bolts and the other side. Grab the tray, slide it between to the center hole, and lock on. Repeat for the top, leaving it a little loose so this way it could slide in, and close it all down when all bolts are on. Pick a side, either side you want, place in your hooks, find a spot on the wall with the keyhole, line up, adjust the angle, and lock down. When you're finished with the drill, you can hang it. You can store your items like batteries, cutters, flashlights, hammers on the hook, additional drills, adding additional weight like a vice grip, and put your hook on the side like so. Drill, charger holder, batteries, tools, you name it. Could hold up to 1, 2, 3, 4 drills or more. You could place them on the side like so and hold a lot of drills. You can hold about 8 drills. There's 3 here, 3 here, and 2 to the side over here, like so. I hope this is something that you are looking for to organize your tools with hooks on either side of the unit. Simply grab a hook, bring it to the other side, and start to hang things up very easily. You could put a drill on the side as well and have it over there. I hope this is something that you are looking for in a tool holder organizer. Thank you for viewing.